Welcome back, guys. So we're back in the shop today. Just kind of showing you what happened to this thing in the past 24 hours. It made a mess. That's what it did overnight. One of the power steering lines kind of made a leaky. But we're good. We got some stay dry down on it, but got a little bit of wiring left to do. Got all the harness up on top. Got the rails down. Got all the fuel lines are plumbed. Everything for that is plumbed. Coolant system's pretty much plumbed. I just got to run the thermostat housing, and everything's looking good. I'm glad we got some nice valve covers. This thing's gonna pop underneath the hood. But anyways, yeah, I was just showing you a quick little update on this, but I don't really need to show you that. I really want to show you Farmer. The new, well, we've had it for 2 years now, but the new project, it's going to be a project of mine. I'm going to probably do, well, I'm going to pick up today a cam, a sloppy truck cam for this thing. I'm going to weld the diff. We're going to do some hunky-dory stuff to this thing, but it's going to be pretty cool. Like, just for, my dad told me to get rid of it, but you know, sons, we don't all listen to our dads, always. So I'm gonna turn this thing into a little hot rod before I pull the motor out and put it in something else. But anyways, it should be a good little ripper. Let's see if it starts. Let's see if he starts. It's been sitting in here a while. 255, not bad. We're gonna probably try and pop it. If it lives, it goes in something else. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Ooh. We got oil pressure? Yeah, we got some oil pressure. I'd like to see it a little higher, in my opinion, but that's probably just factory. I mean, it doesn't snap very quick. Oil pressure should be okay. Who needs door pins anyways? But yeah, these tires will be for sale. They'll be Shred 99. They'll be all cords and stuff, so if you want to come pick those up, I'll give, just kidding. They'll be Shred though. So yeah, welcome to the Farmer build. First on the agenda for Farmer. Bear with me, I'm using my iPhone. Good now. I think she's Christian. Oh wait, we need one more thing. Everything on this truck is pretty much gone, so like it don't matter. There we go, guys. This is the new truck. Gotta do the other side too. Excuse my poor paint crafting skills this morning. There we go, fixed it. So stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button at the bottom.
That is awesome.